Depositing money on Freelancer is a straightforward process that allows you to fund your account for project bidding and hiring freelancers. Follow these simple steps to complete your deposit. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Freelancer website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section. Once logged in, go to the Finance or Deposit section in your account dashboard. Look for options related to funding your account. Step 3. Choose a payment method. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. This could include credit/debit cards, PayPal, or other payment gateways supported by Freelancer. Step 4. Enter deposit amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the airdrop.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Review your deposit details and confirm the transaction. Follow any additional prompts to complete the payment process and wait for a confirmation message. After completing these steps, your funds should be available in your Freelancer account, allowing you to start bidding on projects or hiring freelancers.